Alright, all the way down to the edge of the water, trying to block the wind from the microphone. Where is it? Ah, fog's coming in, can't see very well. There's a thing over there, hovering about 80 feet off the water, moving slowly from east to west. I got my camera zoomed as far as it'll go on this phone without losing a picture. I do not know what the hell that is, but it is very slowly moving from east to west. It looks to be about as long as a football field and about 80 feet off the water. Let's try to zoom a little more. I can't even tell if I'm getting it or not. Where'd it go? There it is. I'm hoping that I'm still filming, and I can't really tell how well it's coming out on this phone camera. But that is definitely not a boat, unless they suddenly started making boats that float 80 feet off the water and as long as a football field. It is, I'm standing in South Hold on Kinney's Beach, facing north, filming this across the Long Island Sound. It's been there slowly moving for like over 20 minutes, maybe a half hour. I wish I had brought a pair of binoculars. Huh. Alright, I'm gonna stop filming, and I really can't tell how much of this I'm actually getting anyway because of the sun glare. In the hell? It's too foggy now. I can barely make it out.